Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to manually synchronize data from your phone to the internet and vice versa in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So, our automatic synchronizations are turned off and we want to manually synchronize it right now. So, we go to settings, we're looking for our accounts, accounts and backup here. We need to go to manage accounts, tap the account we want to synchronize, and here it is, sync account. Here we have few options. What do we want to synchronize? Let's say we want to synchronize our Gmail, our mail from the phone to the internet. Just tap it once, and here we have last synced on 22 November 2024. And our hour here. That's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.